You only went and fed.
Andreas 1081 in Central Doherty. Suspect last seen on foot.
Allegra, please clear my path.
Hey, Carl! There's 2 cars on the list, they say, and they're in the showroom across town. Let's go get them.
I always admired your direct approach, hombre.
Okay, let's go get those wheels. I like this place, you know?
Where?
San Fierro, man. My home will always be the Barrios and El Corona. But this city, it has something gentle about it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Kendall seems to like it too, you know?
Oh yeah, she's really getting her head into this business thing.
That's good. She always been the brains of the family. She should get out the ghetto and make something of herself.
I think she's aiming to make something out of all of us, eh?
Yeah, she the moms of the family now.
Hey, who's this Truth guy, Holmes? I don't think he's wrapped too tight.
He just sees everything from a different perspective, that's all. At first, I thought he was just another acid casualty fruitcake. But some of the things he say, I don't know, man. It ain't all bullshit.
Hey, you gonna become an alien hunter, Holmes?
I'll take a rain check on that one.
Here we go, Holmes. They're in the 2nd floor showroom.
2nd floor? Shit.
Can I help you two, gentlemen?
Yeah, you can help us by going to help some other motherfucker.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
All right, CJ, it's time to roll. Let's follow the leader. You better keep up.
Ah, you a maniac, S.A.?
Hey, CJ, is this walkie-talkie working?
Yeah, reading you loud and clear.
Come on, CJ, see if you can keep up with Cesar Villalpando. Beat the tram up the hill. Beat some chocolate cake. This tram driver must be shitting herself, Holmes. Hello, cop. What took you, eh? Hey, CJ, watch this. Nitro! Follow me down the hill, Holmes.
Okay, Caesar, that's enough fun. Let's get these cars back to the garage.
Okay, CJ. Hey, I know a quick route. Hello, cop. What, back again, idiotas? Get out of the fucking road!
What the hell are you doing?
Holy shit! Fuck, Holmes, did you see that?
Can we think about getting back before I end up in a car wreck barbecue?
Sure thing, Holmes. I think we lost him. There's a shortcut this way. Uh-oh, more cops. Hey, back up, Holmes, back up, back up. Okay, we're good. See you back at the garage, CJ.
I love that tattoo.
I'm losing my will to live here. Please go away.
You ain't too friendly.
Oh my god, that shit is strong.
I think I'm in love.
Damn, that's some fire.
Hit the gas pedal.
I like to paint him.
Yeah, that's some good shit.
Love
Hello,
the cabaret, the
handsome.
crazy cock.
Oh my god, that shit is strong.
I wonder if he poses nude.
Damn, that's some fire.
Catalina, is that you again?